Hi there, I brought you along with Jenny and me as we visited Modish. It's a store that's located right in the heart of Birmingham, Pennsylvania. I really enjoyed our visit here. I definitely will be back, and I hope you enjoy our trip too. This is cute, this rooster. An Italian rooster, only $48. Look how tall it is. Right next to this beautiful piece here. That is an Empoli optic snifter for $30. And here's a teeny little, oh, this one's only $9. That's only $9. I like that. That's neat. Oh, there's a manufacturer flaw. Oh, because there's little bubbles in there? I like it. I like the blue. That's neat. This is cute. There's some paint by number dogs and a stitchery. Very cute. Oh, Jenny, this is cute too, isn't it? The giraffe eating. Have a set of glasses for $20. That's a nice price. Those are sweet. Oh, at first I thought that was an owl. I thought these were the eyes. They're hula dancers. Had to look twice. That was funny. Those are cute. I know. Who you saying? We're hula dancers. Those are Italy. Those are really pretty. This is a really pretty vase. Hand painted bud vase. $6. That's really pretty. And I've sold smaller trays. I think I still have them for sale that have that same color to them. Oh, look at these salt and pepper shakers. Those are cute. It's a man's face. 16. Those are funny. Let's see what this guy, does he look like the same? Yeah. Those are cute. Isn't that cool with the dragon on it? That's really neat. I like that owl painting too. This is really cute. The owl and the bee. Oh, the dinette sits on hold. I don't blame them. That's neat. That's a nice little small size. And then you could extend it up. This is displayed so cute. It's a fancy scale. Current painting from 2021. I really like that. This booth is Three Sisters. Everything so far is displayed so sweet. I like how they took the display for the insect control and made it for their display for vintage items. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Aw, he's adorable. Look at his little eyes. His eyes are going off in different directions. He's $20. He's a little wall-eyed, isn't he? There's some owls down there. Let's see. Always true. Be always true. So we have 8, 12, and 12. So good prices. Jenny's pointing out the Garfield glasses. Do we have those or we have these?
We have these.
Yeah, we have those. And there's some Smurf glasses there.
Chipettes.
That's cute. This container set is neat. This is neat too. Ooh, kisses. An owl string art picture. Ties very well with the utensil holders there. That is true. No one can be wise on an empty stomach. That is true. I agree. These are neat too. Look, they're from cookbooks. And you have the shoe fly pie and the chicken corn soup with the chicken corn soup on the back. Those are really cute. Lancaster. Not Lancaster, it's Lancaster. Right, Jenny? Look, you have Pennsylvania, Hawaii, Massachusetts. Or it could be Pahai. What do you find? Oh, Harry Potter. Little key rings and stuff. Here's some mushroom. Oh, here's Harry Potter earrings. Mushroom earrings. Oh, Jenny, look, they're clip-ons.
They are?
Are they clip-ons? Oh no, it's just the back. That looks like a clip. Oh, the back looks like a clip-on. They fooled me. This is from a movie called Pretty in Pink, and this was her best friend, and his name was Ducky. And it's Pretty in Pink because she's... Oh, that's cute. Oh, and then Laverne and Shirley. Laverne always had an L on her sweater. Let's meet the Queen. Oh, look, Bewitched with witches. That is really cute. What else do they have here? Dolly Parton. That's cute, the cat and the dog. How much are these? Let's see. Let's get one. Oh, here's one that's smaller. No, I just want to see. Oh, 15. They're cute. Little mushrooms. It's super clear over here. There, block it, Jenny. All right, well, they're very cute, even if they are a little blurry. Here's some little piggies. Ooh, that's a statement piece there. We'll look at that after we look at these piggies. Little piggy shakers. The bell. Jenny said, how would you like this around your neck? This is a statement piece here. That's pretty neat. Go back through here. Ooh, those are cool. Oh, Moga Oil. I was going to say, that looks like the oil company. And they are. I see you. It says Valentine Angel. Oh, she has a broken wing. Here's her price tag here. She is 15, as is. You can't really see her broken wing. If you put her like that, you can't even see it. She's very sweet. Junkyard elves. Only $5. Is this the name of this booth? Is Junkyard Elves, I think. That's what I'm seeing on the tags. Let's see. Yeah, Junkyard Elves.
Show under the name Floss.
Oh.
It's a bit different because she did not flex. Flex? I don't know, because she can like stretch herself.
Oh, she's stretchy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's different.
See?
Oh, she's like Elastiman. Isn't that Elastiman?
The girl.
Elastigirl? No, yeah, that's for The Incredibles, Elastigirl.
Yes. But look at the books though over here.
Here's some more. Left In Christmas. Is this Left In? Oh, Napco, $30. That is adorable. Here, I'll put this in the light so you can see. The floors are squeaky. Look at all that spaghetti. That's neat. Jenny has found a giant book.
It's the same book. Look how big it is.
There's the creaky floors. I swear it's the floors. It's not me. Here's another little figurine. That's cute too. Oh, it's a Left In, $15. Very sweet. I like this one with all the spaghetti detailing on it. Sense why they're little rooms. This one's kind of bohemian with the brown and the brass. I have some of these that I got at an auction that I have not listed. Let's see, they have theirs for, looks like 18. And she has a little table for 14 and the little love seat 16. I need to list mine because it would be easy to ship. They're just big, but they're not heavy. I like how the clear glass is mixed in with the colored items like the candle holders, the little spice racks in the back. Looks very nice. Venturing vintage. That's cute with the skunk on it. Do you know what this is for? There's your hint, Western. It's to take your cowboy boots off. You put your boot in there and you can pull off your cowboy boot. The boot jack is $12. I feel like it's blurry. Maybe it's not. I feel like things are a little bit blurry and I apologize. Look, the typewriter is crystal clear. The typewriter is crystal clear. The boot jack, which I'm trying to show you, a little blurry. Gosh.
I mean, it is.
Here's another one. I heard the lady say that it was a museum. So this makes sense why there's like little, rooms. I don't remember what this was before. I've lived here long enough. I should know. Should have remembered what building we're in. Here's some lady head vases over here. Let's carefully turn her around. $54. Oh, Jenny, look, a duck dog. Do you want to tell them why we call it a duck dog?
Because then they quack?
Yeah, Jimmy had one when he was little, and it's so old that it doesn't really make any. It kind of quacks like a duck, so we always call it the duck dog. There's a perpetual calendar from California. Oh, a Friggy. And bye-bye. Bye-bye, the sailor man.
All of his mouths are weird.
Ooh, look at this. This is called Cactus Jacket. I like the names of the little stores. Gold-plated punch bowls. Cactus Jacket. It is an adorable bird. I agree. Is this Mexico or is it just an adorable bird? It's cute. These dogs. The vintage ceramic poodle. And then through there is another store. You have to go around outside, but it's primitive furniture. You can see. Oh, I see some popcorn in there. We probably won't go in there, but it just gives you a look. It's there. You come out this way. Go in here. This is bright. Oh, it's nice and bright and cheery in here. Oh, look at the little baby planner. She's like whispering, "Come here, I'll tell you a secret." That's neat. I like that. Oh, I thought that said brains. I thought that said brains. It doesn't. It says something else, not brains. Later on this side of the store. Let's see. They have this displayed nicely. All kinds of things in here. Hello. Here's another one. Okay. Oh, look at the Tonala duck. That's really big. Let's see if I can see the price on that. $24. That's neat. That's a big one. That's an interesting way of displaying those. I didn't think of that when we had some of those for sale at the Goodwill to put them in a bowl. Look, it's Garfield. Oh, here's another Tonala piece. Let's see. Bluebird picture, $20. Wow. I wonder if this one quacks like a duck. It's a pelican though. Put your treasures in there. Bird in hand, there's a whole bunch of things to do. We're gonna hope the bakery's open. That's also another farmer's market, but they're only open Fridays and Saturdays. We're gonna go in here, see if we can find something for Jenny to eat because she's starving. They were open, thank goodness. We had a delicious lunch of 2 very healthy sandwiches. We didn't get any pastries that time. Here are our sandwiches. They were delicious. I was able to meet one of the owners of Modish, Debbie Luther. She is also the market facilitator for the Vintage Revival Market that is also held a couple times a year over in the outlet malls that are out on Route 30, which is near the big Goodwill. The other owner is Karen Stauffer. I was impressed. They've only been open since December 1st. Here are their hours for January and February. You can follow them on Instagram, and I'll leave all the information to the store in the description of this video. If you are in the area or planning a trip to Lancaster County, I definitely would put Modish on your list of places to see. I hope you enjoyed this extra video and are having a great Sunday afternoon. And I'll see ya!